Everyone to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the skin of the pineapple to make a tasty and delicious juice. I thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, follow, share, comment on this video and let me know how my recipes have helped you. So without further ado, let's get into making this juice. So the first thing we're going to do in this recipe is wash our pineapple. So there I've added about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar to about 4 cups of water, and I'm going to be using my vegetable brush to wash the outside of the pineapple thoroughly. So there you see I'm rubbing it and making sure that all the dirt and chemicals are being removed. And then to further clean it, we're going to add some baking soda in some fresh water and vinegar mixture. So once I've added my baking soda, I'm going to be washing it one more time, and then we will rinse with fresh water. So some fun facts about the pineapple: it's rich in nutrients and it's a natural antioxidant. It may suppress inflammation, boost your immunity, and aids in digestion and promote heart health. So you want to drink this as often as possible, especially when the fruit is in season. So there you see I'm washing my ginger, turmeric, orange, lime, and I'm going to be adding lemon as well in vinegar water to remove all the chemicals and the dirt from them as well. And then we'll rinse everything. So there I'm showing you how I peel my orange, because we're going to use the rind in our juice and also the juice from the fruit itself. So as I'm making these recipes, if there's anything you would like me to show you, be sure to leave that in the comments and let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. So there I am grating my lemon to remove the rind to add in our mixture. And there I'm going to be grating my turmeric as well, and you can see I'm not using such of the fine side of the grater, but the other side up from the fine side. And there I'm using my spoon to peel my ginger. And then on medium heat, you can add 3 to 4 cups of water for 1 or 2 pineapples. And then I've added my spiced cloves and cinnamon stick. And now I'm showing you how to peel or to remove the skin from the pineapple. And you want to always cut away from you. So once we're done with that, then we will add the orange peel to the boiling water. And then there I'm showing you the turmeric, ginger, and the lemon rind that we had grated. And I'm just gonna rinse my plate off with some water. So then we're going to cover and let it boil for about half an hour once we put our pineapple skin inside the mixture, and then you let it sit overnight would be better. And so then after overnight, you're gonna pour it through a strainer. Make sure you get out all the juice, and then if you have some big pieces, you can squeeze out the excess juice in your strainer as well. And then you're going to use a spoon to squeeze out whatever you have in your strainer. And then just to make sure that all the impurities come out, you pour it through a even smaller strainer or sieve. And so now we're going to sweeten it, and I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of sugar, but you can sweeten to your likeness, however much works best for you. And so then I'm adding my orange juice, that's fresh orange juice, and then I'm squeezing in my lime juice. And so then you just stir and taste to see if it's at the consistency that you want or the sweetness that you want. And then I'm adding some fresh onion, then we're going to stir that as well. And then now I'm going to be adding the lime to enhance the flavor. So once again, if there's any specific recipe you would like me to try, be sure to let me know in the comment section. And so then I'm pouring it again through my strainer for the final time. You can pour it in a bottle if you have boiled more than 1 or 2 pineapple skin. And so then I'm gonna add some mint to that just to keep it fresh. So you see I go outside to get it, and then now I'm rinsing it in water, and then I'm gonna just show you the presentation. I thank you so much for watching. Be sure to turn on that notification button so you know when I post a video. And you guys have a good evening or good afternoon, and I will see you on the next video.